The aircraft fuel system is responsible for storing, managing, and delivering fuel to the engines for combustion. It is a crucial component that ensures the reliable and efficient operation of an aircraft. Here are some key aspects of an aircraft fuel system. Fuel storage. Aircraft typically have one or more fuel tanks to store the fuel. The tanks are located in the wings, fuselage, or both, depending on the aircraft design. The tanks are designed to be structurally integral to the aircraft and are made of materials that are resistant to fuel corrosion and leakage. Fuel transfer. The fuel transfer system allows for the movement of fuel between different tanks to maintain the aircraft's center of gravity and balance as fuel is consumed during flight. This is particularly important for larger aircraft that have multiple fuel tanks. Fuel quantity measurement. Accurate measurement of fuel quantity is essential for flight planning, fuel management, and safety. Aircraft are equipped with fuel quantity gauges or sensors that provide information about the amount of fuel in each tank. This information is usually displayed to the pilots on fuel quantity indicators in the cockpit. Fuel pumping. Fuel pumps are used to transfer fuel from the tanks to the engines. Depending on the aircraft type, fuel may be pumped by electric fuel pumps, engine-driven fuel pumps, or a combination of both. Electric fuel pumps are typically used during low power settings or for initial engine start, while engine-driven pumps take over at higher power settings. Fuel filtration. The fuel system incorporates filters to remove contaminants such as dirt, debris, and water from the fuel before it reaches the engines. Fuel filters help ensure the smooth and uninterrupted flow of clean fuel, preventing damage to the engines and fuel system components. Fuel venting. The fuel system includes venting mechanisms to manage pressure changes and prevent the buildup of excessive pressure or vacuum inside the fuel tanks. Fuel vents allow air to enter or exit the tanks as the fuel is consumed or expands, contracts due to temperature changes during flight. Fuel crossfeed. Some aircraft are equipped with a fuel crossfeed system, which enables fuel transfer between the left and right fuel tanks. Crossfeeding can be useful in situations where the aircraft's balance needs to be adjusted or if one fuel system becomes inoperative. Safety is of utmost importance in aircraft fuel systems, and various measures are in place to prevent fuel leaks, fires, and explosions. These include redundant fuel system components, flame arresters, fire-resistant materials, and rigorous maintenance procedures. It's important to note that specific aircraft models may have variations in their fuel system design and components, depending on factors such as size, purpose, and technology.